and Noah. Hello.
Welcome to Oliver's Vet Clinic.
Hello. Yes.
Hello, Doctor. We need your help.
Okay. Let's go.
Welcome to the zoo.
Help me. My teeth hurt.
Let's brush your teeth. Yes.
Ouch.
Oh no. Yes.
Thank you, Doctor. Bye-bye.
Bye. Help me. I'm hungry. Idea.
Bunnies love carrots. Let's feed the bunny.
Yes. That's fun.
Now I'm full.
Yay!
Thank you, Doctor.
Bye. Next step. Doctor, I need help. Let's play balls by the colors. Blue. Oliver, you're correct. Orange. Yes. Green. Well done, Oliver. And yellow. Now I feel much better. Yay! Hello. Help me to clean my needles. Okay, let's begin. Animals should not eat junk food. Come on, Oliver. Last one left. Thank you, Doctor. Here's some healthy food for you. Yum, 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 yum. Pear. Mushroom. Apple. Great job. It's really healthy. Goodbye. I have a problem. What? I lost my tail. Let's find your tail. Yes. Oopsie. It's not mine. No. Let's try again. I'm not sure. Maybe this one. Oh no. Last one. Okay. Yes, this is my tail. Look how cute. Whoa. Thank you, Doctor. Yay! Bye. Doctor, help! I feel very cold. Idea! Let's dress the sheep. Great job! Now I feel warm! Yay! Much better! Thank you, Doctor! Goodbye! Phew!
It was a beautiful day.
Yes!